Hey friends, this is Sejal and welcome to my channel. Let's make today mini chocolate trifle dessert. To make this, I'm using pre-mix packets of milk and white chocolate dessert mix. But if you cannot find it, you can make it from scratch and grab graham crackers and white and milk chocolate packets separately. I got these 2 packets from Walmart. Each packet came with 2 packets of graham crumbs and 1 packet of chocolate mix. If you are making from scratch, crush graham crackers in a food processor and make crumbs. Now take graham crumbs in a bowl and add half cup of sugar and mix it. If you do not prefer it too sweet, you can add it less. Now take 4 tablespoons melted butter and add it to mix and mix it well. Now take 2 bowls and in one bowl empty packet of milk chocolate and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And to other bowl add white chocolate packet and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Whip it until fluffy cream structure forms. You need to whip it like 5-7 minutes. Once this is done, we are ready to assemble all ingredients in individual serving cups. I have these cute little cups which I am using. First take 3 tablespoons of graham crumbs and press it with the base of other clean cup. Then add white chocolate and spread it evenly with a small spoon. Then again add 2 tablespoons graham crumb and press it gently. After that, layer milk chocolate on it and spread it. Here is one tip. If you are not getting thick layer of chocolate, you can spread it on the border of cup little bit more, so seeing from outside you will see the clear layer of chocolate. Now keep it in refrigerator for at least 2-3 hours, and while serving, top it with whipping cream and raspberry or chocolate chips or any of your favorite topping. So that is it for today. Easy and delicious dessert is ready in minutes. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye and take care.